Guys, I was in Trader Joe's shopping and went in the frozen section and saw this Korean inspired Bulgogi beef fried rice with kimchi. And I thought, good idea for a meal. And so this was my own spin on it. All the recipe will be in the description, so check it out, okay? Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, about the name Jesus. This little video is in two parts. Here I'm showing you the marinade, and next I'm going to upload how I put everything together. Stay tuned, okay? After 2 hours of marinating, I pan sear the beef until they look something like this.